Hello and welcome back to the channel. G here, back with another video. Today my buddy Mažvydas wants to switch off the IMA for this ECU, and not just that, he wants to make it look like new. So I am going to aqua blast it and send him a almost brand new ECU. The ECU looks so much cleaner now. I have air blasted the connector and sprayed with electrical cleaner finish. So I think it's good enough. What do you reckon? Compare it. How did it look before? It's much better now. Some of you may think, so what's inside of this ECU after such a harsh action? Let's find out. Apparently the casing was waterproof, no water inside, no glass beads. I reckon that's a good news. EEPROM. I will desolder it. ECU is finished. Time to ship it to the owner. Thanks for watching and bye for now.